Hello everybody, thank you for coming to FuzzeeDee Tutorials. We're going to be covering all kinds of tech issues for you on this channel. Everyday stuff with YouTube, with your devices, with Mac OS. We are Apple Universe here. Also be showing you some in-depth tutorials, graphics programs and video editing. And they'll also be cut into short topic related sections. I hope you find our content useful. And if you do, we'd appreciate your support by subscribing to the channel. If you want to be notified when new videos come out, don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for coming and hope we'll see you back soon. And check the About section for the schedule of the types of videos that I'll be producing and when they'll be coming out. Thanks for coming by.